विसा उपरांत येवकार. उद्योगीक वसाहतींतली भूंयखंड सुवात आतां 10% अदीक वापरांत येतली. तशेंच FAR 150% वाड केल्ल्याची म्हायती गोंय उद्योगीक वसाहत महामंडळाचे अध्यक्ष ग्लेन सोजा टिकलो हांणी दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Therefore, in consultation with Goa Chamber of Commerce, Goa State Industries Association, CII, Goa IDC drafted and brought in reforms in the existing regulations. One such amendment is made to Goa Land Development and Building Constructions Regulations of 2010, which are notified on 11/1/2018 in a government gazette.
Now the government has reduced that open space from 15% to 7.5%.
So more land will
so
get
we
with
get
this notification.
7.5% extra land.
Yeah.
So additional land which was available for which was to be retained for facilities like canteen. There earlier it was 7.5%. That has been brought down to 5%. So here we are getting another 2.5%. So 7.5% of open space and 2.5% of the utility space. So we get around 10% extra land for allotment.
1 crore to 40 lakhs, almost 10% is about 14. Doesn't mean you're going to get 14 lakhs because the terrain is different.
1.40 crore square.
1 crore 40 lakhs square meters, we have total square meters. If you calculate 10%, it amounts to 14 lakhs, but that doesn't mean that you get 14 lakhs because the land which was left earlier was because of valleys are there. The terrain is huge. It's a big area. So we are all working on that. And
When this was notified?
Yesterday it was.
yesterday it was
Levels.
on
So
11.
basically, I think industry was demanding that land be available from IDC, and IDC's land has saturated now. Very few plots are available.
Yeah.
No land acquisition is becoming expensive. So the idea was to create more space within the industrial estates. Also, building regulations which were earlier were not specifically designed for industry. We had adopted the National Building Code and on the same lines, what is used for the cities was adopted for the building. So for industrial use, certain specific amendments were necessary.
We wanted to sublease some part or transfer. It was becoming very, very difficult. And the result was that the property is not getting utilized. Already in Goa there is no land. Now if somebody wants to give it for utilization somewhere else, to another industry, okay, that was becoming difficult. And the main purpose of employment generation through industry was getting defeated because so many plots vacant, so many shades unutilized. So with this sublease and transfer guidelines, okay, I'm not referring to the plot but premises, that means the shades can now be transferred, can be subleased much more easily. So that would see entrepreneurs who are looking out for starting something of their own, they would be now
Benefited.
benefited.